Check out this Dodge 2020 Durango SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, quick order package 2BA SXT included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, third row seating group included, second row 60/40 fold and tumble seat, third row remote headrest dumping, third row seat 7 passenger seating, black cloth low back bucket seats, granite clear coat, front license plate bracket, rear wheel drive and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to